সে বৃষ্টি ভেজা পায় সামনে এলে হায় ফোটে কামিনী।
Dhaka, a city of dreams, often drowns in its nightmares. Waterlogging, a chronic issue, has become a daily reality for millions.
The problem lies in the city's infrastructure. Inadequate drainage system, clogged pipes and poor waste management contributes to waterlogging. There is no integrated drainage system connecting rivers, canals or reservoirs in the capital Dhaka.
Rapid urbanization and deforestation have also exacerbated the situation, leading to increased runoff and reduced water absorption capacity.
To get rid of it, we need improved drainage systems, need an integrated drainage system connecting canals, reservoirs and rivers.
Developing comprehensive flood management and response plans that include early warning systems and emergency response strategies.
Educate residents about the importance of proper waste disposal and maintaining clear drains to prevent blockages.